Probably quite a few.
Yeah.
I think all of that.
You right, Christine?
23. Yeah, you could
It's
use
not
that.
pictures, it's video.
You could actually use all of that to make some sort of weapon.
Yes. How many? 23. My mum's here somewhere. Yeah. It's joyous, Josh.
It is.
It's joyous, isn't it?
Better than sitting in front of your PS3 in the pyjamas.
That's debatable. Like for instance, at home, I would have been warmer.
Yeah. But he wouldn't be with me.
No. Alas.
Rasta and Grim. My little Rasta cat.
Indeed. Meow.
Meow. You'd have been like, I cannot roll my eyes for shit. I can sound like Gollum though, slightly. There she is. Hello.
It helps that you look like him as well.
Yeah, of course, it does help.
Yeah, it does.
I don't give a shit. It's so pretty. Pretty fireworks. It's good fireworks, people celebrating Jubilee. Group shot. Hang on, I'll have to go around this way for the light. Light.
Number.
Heather. Wake up. There you go. Whoa! I missed it. Pretty lights. Pretty lights in the sky. actually been good? Yeah?
Yeah,
Good. That's good. I understand good. It's all good. It's alright.
I wasn't doing nothing at all today anyway.
Such a joy. It's Grinstead Jubilee. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's Grinstead Jubilee celebration. If you can call it that, with fireworks. It's me.
The flame thing was a bit of a
The
letdown.
flame thing over there.
Bit of a letdown.
Yeah.
Thought it would be bigger.
Yeah, you think that. This is Josh. Also known as Rasta.
That's the cat.
Rasta cat. Joshwar. Rasta
Yeah.
cat. His mother. My lovable Christene.
Yeah.
My lovable Christene as always. Me. Haley, Grim, like King Cooper, whatever you want to call me, I don't care. And Heather. Lovable Heather.
Yes, lovable.
Lovable Heather. And there's the fireworks.
These are fireworks.
Behind everybody's head. Bang. Big fireworks. I have an itchy nose. I will find my parents. I'm going to try and introduce you to my parents. I will find them. My
Press
parents.
that button, take a picture of me and Josh.
But
Hang on.
I don't know. I can.
Careful where you put your hand.
I can only see like shadows here, but I can kind of make you out.
Actually, he's making a video. Ow, just in the parts.
What are you doing?
I just think yes, with the flash on. Wait, don't need it. Your camera. I could just see it. The light on the way. Yeah, the light's on the way. I'm just putting my arms sticking out to see.
Ah, your ear. Your ear. So pretty. I'm probably have about half an hour or something. I'm playing video.
All the money that they used for the fireworks was actually going to go into schools and education.
Wow.
Yeah. And there it's
What
gone
a
up in-
waste of money.
Yeah, it's gone up in smoke.
To entertain us mere mortals
Yeah.
instead of education.
Up your fat head's in the way.
Queen. La 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 la. God save the Queen. Just Lauren. La 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 la. La la don't know words. La 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 la. God save the Queen. Yay! Yay! It's time for yeah. Yay! Wow, bright light. You alright, Josh?
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah. Christine, you good?
Where you go?
Oh, there goes my education.
There goes your education. There goes his education, Christine.